Hi, Jean-Luc Fontaine again, showing you how to use the particle system in Toon Boom Harmony 12. In the last video, I showed how to use the sprite renderer into the sprite emitter node, and now I'm gonna show how to place the particle generation into perspective within your illustration. Sorry, that's not what I want to do. If we go back here with the basic particle setup here, we remember that it was a rectangle facing the camera, which is obviously not what we want. And the reason why my particle generation is rectangle facing camera is because I already set up the planar region, which is the region where the particle are emitted. I already set it up in perspective. In order to see the planar region, you go in View, Show, Control, or Shift function 11, and you can see perspective is going to be a bit better. The planar region here where all the particles are emitted. You can control the size of the planar region. Let's say I want to have more 8. I could change 8 of the planar region. I'll stick to 5 here. Or the width, same thing. I could change the shape to a triangle, a disc, a line, a point, or an image with an alpha setup in it, which can do really cool results, by the way. To move the planar region in the space, I need to create a peg. Shortcut to creating a peg is Ctrl P here, and link it to the planar region. That way I can use my move tool in order to move the planar region, or even rotate tool like I did in order to place it in perspective. So this is how I manage. Let me just close the Control Shift function 11. This is how I managed to place the simulation into the perspective of the image. And in order to create a bit more depth in that picture, I made a copy of that whole system into another particle system, which is exactly the same in the first one, but to a difference that in perspective this one is a bit farther. Here, rotate, is a bit farther away. So N is behind the ship. So that way I have my raindrop in front of the ship, and I have my raindrop here in the distance, only by making a copy of the first particle system. Here I can show you in the render view a bit of the result that we see here. So this is how I created a raindrop on the sea. In the next video, I'll approach a bit more about the gravity-based particle system in order to create the raindrop in the sky.